Retired librarian Ida Garcia is just one of the many volunteers working to start a library in Chaparral. Chaparral is one of the largest unincorporated communities in New Mexico, and Garcia said having a public library accessible to the rest of the community can make a difference.
We need a public library so that the students can come in here, work, do projects, read, do research. Maybe even our younger kids can come in and check out books, and we really need to encourage reading.
Garcia and volunteers have been working with the county to try to get the library up and running, but it hasn't been as easy as they expected.
It just seems like there's lack of communication, lack of planning, and a lot of barriers, roadblocks, and delays in everything we request.
According to Garcia, the library is lacking many resources, including enough shelving and non-volunteer staff.
Because if you look around, we have a lot of books. And also you're going to notice that we have a lot of books in boxes because there is not enough shelving that was provided when the facility was built.
District 3 County Commissioner Shannon Reynolds said he understands people are frustrated with the progress of the library project.
Well, the community is frustrated, as you would think. Let's start with that. Frustration starts when you want something and it doesn't happen. And so they've been frustrated with the idea that it's taken so long.
Doña Ana County's Health and Human Services Department oversees the library project at the Dolores Wright Community Center in the Colonia. Jamie Michael, County Health and Human Services Director, said they already offer classes and summer lunch programs at the center, so resources are spread thin for the library project.
So there are a lot of different priorities that counties are responsible for, and libraries are not one of the priorities, so this was never on the county's list of programs. That's why we are relying on volunteers. They really wanted the library there. It is going to be volunteer run with some support from the county. Again, leveraging the existing resources that we have and we're already dedicated to the resource center in that community.
According to Michael, the county has also provided computers for the library and will have staff overseeing the use of them. She also said there may be computer training and literacy activities in the future.
We have computers out there available for community members to use. We have tutoring for young kids that's already happening at the community center. So again, now having that space, the library space, will just bolster all of the activities that are already happening there.
Michael acknowledged that planning for this project can be a challenge because the library is an extension of the Community Resource Center.
It's nice that we have such an active group of volunteers that are willing to work with us, and we are trying to balance. It's not a public library, it's not a designated library because the county doesn't have those resources.
Libraries in rural areas may provide important services for the communities they serve. According to a report done by the Institute of Museum and Library Services, libraries identify gaps in services in the community and provide opportunities to bridge them. For example, a library may help provide more resources like healthcare, education, and community programs. Shel Nymark is director of the New Mexico Rural Library Initiative.
Well, in a lot of small communities, libraries are the only services that are happening in those towns.
According to County Commissioner Shannon Reynolds, those services are key to building trust in Chaparral.
And the library, I think, is a good first moniker to put in to show people that we do care and we are trying to provide services that they want.
Ida Garcia said the need is there.
It wouldn't have been built if we didn't need it.
But she holds high hopes for the future of this project.
I wanted to be able to be used not only for checking out books, using computers, making copies, faxing materials. It should be, something that the community can come in here and do what they need to do.
Volunteers and county officials said they will continue to work together to find common ground so the library can meet the needs of the community. For KRWG Public Media, I'm Abigail Salas.